So Varli will have sharp edges, Saura will have smooth edges. So let's draw female figure in both the tribes. This is Varli. We will draw a Z and then join it. And we'll show the feet also little bent. In Saura, for female, always the earring is shown. Then not straight line neck, horizontal line. 3 or 4 depending on how big is our figure. And this is the curve and these are the crosses. Hands are very smooth, just symbolic, and legs are extraordinary long. Maybe they were very tall people. Second way of showing female is this. Earrings are must. In this, we show a curve here. We show the female breast. We show the design here. And again, neck is not shown as a stick. A cloth in the middle and very long legs. In Varli and this, you can see the difference in the legs. In this, everything will be filled. This is one way and lines is different. Now, how to show male in Varli? Draw Z, join 2 corners and show the feet. How to draw male in Saura? Solid face, always solid face. Tilted body, minimum clothing here on the lower part. Curved hands, they can be up or down or anywhere. This is the male. And here, this cloth will be black. Then here, again, this is another method. You can adopt any one of them, or in different paintings you can use different methods, but in one painting you use only one method. This is the upper part and this is the lower part of the body. Now we are going to learn some poses, some scenes. Each one can be made a painting, like dancing. This all will be filled with color, so I am not filling it with color now. In dancing position, all will be bent in one direction. Their dancing position is very different from Tarpa dance. Okay? In Tarpa, they make a spiral in Varli painting. Here, there is no spiral. It may be in one line or it may be in circles. Made a coaster, you can have a look. 2 females, one is playing the damru type instrument. If this one's only one ear is visible here, this one's 2 ears are visible. There will be lines in the neck. I was just making this one, and this one is playing a drum. Isn't it? It is very similar to Varli, but in a way it's different also. And see the border also, just simple semicircles and triangular lines. Now this is male dancing. We have taken, for example, 3 male dancing. I will suggest you to make coasters, or if you are not planning to make a painting, because every house doesn't have place for all the painting. So you can make coasters. If you want, you can give them to friends. Diwali is coming. This is the pose of male dancing. If you are going to make a painting of it, you will show border all around and you can show many males dancing together in the center and with the sun around. Sun is there in almost all the Saura paintings. So I will teach you how to draw the sun also. Then another pose for male dancing, female will also have bangles. The next person will also bend. Now, how to show the sun in Saura art? There are 2-3 styles. One is to show the spiral. This is also used in the corner design, and all this will be filled. Okay, same thing if we are drawing in the corner, it will be like this. And again here we'll fill it with color. Very important feature of the family, which is to bring water from the river. Now I'm not filling colors because it's taking lots of time. So please understand that we have to fill colors. These are the earthen pot, long leg, neck, earring. The next one is male bringing the banana. All this will be solid color. I have made a painting of this. You all can have a look. See, a bird, sun, 2 borders, corner design. This is female actually, not male. Bringing the banana, and here are 2 animals which we are going to learn. So, how to show the bird? There are 2 ways to show the bird. Other way which is very common is show a beak. This is the tail of the bird. These are the feathers on the neck. Here is the eye. One more method is there which I am drawing. This is the body. Instead of beak, like this, 5. The difference is in the beak. Then men playing the drum, only the upper part of the body will be visible because lower part is hidden behind the drum. Then lady dancing, because it is a lady, so it will have earring, it will have bangles. Don't forget to give design in the center. This is also a lady dancing but in a different pose. Male playing the drum. Neck will have only 3-4 lines. This is the string by which drum is hanging. Hand, no bangles, nothing. This is lady, so in the feet we have to show the anklet. Then men playing the drum. Then men dancing. Again, this is the another pose. Why I am giving you all these poses, why I am drawing for you, because I don't know which one you will like, and you can use any one of them in your paintings, because sometimes it's difficult to imagine how will it look when it is bent in such a position. Again, this is men. This is the very important character of Saura art. This is monkey. In the jungles, monkeys are found. So there are 2 ways to show monkey. Very important character. On the temple, everywhere they will show monkey. Simple animal, very simple, nothing great. See the male pattern here, because he is pulling the animal, so his body will bend towards the back. Then he is pulling the cow. This is the cow. So there is a string, tail of the cow, 4 legs. We can do little decoration on the cow, or we can just leave it blank also. And he is holding a stick. Then men sitting on the horse. Horse tail is shown like this. This is the neck of the horse, and they show a straight line on the horse. Legs are shown like this. And here the king or the big personality, whoever it is sitting on the horse having a string in his hand. Then this is the mighty elephant, a trunk, 1 eye. Compared to Varli, everything will have very long legs. Varli doesn't have long legs. Maybe the Saura people were very tall. This is in the hunting position. Then how to show bushes and deer. So bushes are very simple, just simple leaves. You can fill the color, you can leave them white outline only. It's all your wish. And deer will have a special shape. 2 ears, body will be filled with white color. 1 leg off because it's running, and the tail. Then again, this is men hunting. Their paintings, when we draw a scene, then there will be a border between 2 scenes. It's not like one after other one in Varli we keep on drawing. These all are hunting scenes, so they all will come in one line. So you can show all hunters or a group of hunters in one line. This is also the way to show male clothing. This is the hunter sitting. Okay, this is the grass, but more common grass is this, and lines after some distance in it, or vertical lines. Now come to adobe hut. This is a very important part, boating and adobe hut. So adobe hut is actually a Spanish concept, and they are little different in drawing. So when we are showing a fishing scene, this can be one complete painting. We are going to show the boat. I have painted today only. You can give little bit design change according to your thing. You can show the curved boat. You can show the flat boat. These people are aiming the fish. Their fish is also very simple. He is sitting, so you can see his position. He is aiming. This one is also sitting. This is a basket in which they are keeping the catch, and one of the friend is looking after the catch. Then the next way of showing boat. Boat can be very curved also. Boat can have lots of borders on it as decoration. This one is sitting and aiming on the fish, having a net. And sometime on the boat, they keep a hut type thing made of straw. In that, the catch is kept. And this whole thing will have water. It can be shown this way also, curved line or straight line. And birds are part of every scenery. All these tribal arts full of nature things, and they will also show a sun. Okay, this is complete landscape, one painting. Then their huts are adobe huts. They are not straight huts like Wali. This can be like curved. Then they show the coconut trees. Coconut is grown in that area. You can see the fishing net, sun, bird. This is the wish tree. This is banana thing. Sometimes they show the lines on the head to show the male. This is the horse in Saura art. This is the tree with monkey, and this is the hut, adobe hut. Their deity is sitting down, and this man is worshipping. These are hunters. These are bushes, mother and boy. There is a goat, plant, monkey, sun, bird, and the border. Here we are starting with the border. I advise you to do with white gel pen. We may have to do a second coat because paper will absorb the paint. We can also show the straight hut with double line at the bottom. You keep your brush vertical, your dot will be perfect. And rest, I'm going to show you monkeys. It can be filled with color fully. This is done. There will be birds around it. There can be elephant, people doing the puja. So, and then when we draw the next scene, there will be a border. Bottom always has one extra border.